How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. As you can see, it's a very nice, beautiful day out. It's been raining the last couple days, and work has been very busy for me. Today's going to be a vlog style day, so we're already chatting it up, as you can see. We're about to meet up with Peter, Arcade Peter, and Natasha. We're going to go head up to Kawasaki. There's a mall up there, and there's a couple other stores they wanted to check out. It is a Friday afternoon. Check it out, Friday here in Japan. Like, it's state of emergency in Japan has officially been dropped. There is no longer a state of emergency, so everything's open till like midnight plus now, so things are open much later. That's the newest update. Got a couple more weeks before we go home, so like I said, work's been a little bit much lately, so we have obviously hadn't had anything come out in a couple days. But I wanted to bring up another thing. See that tree right there? It's not a real tree. It's a fake tree, for those who didn't know. Yeah, I left the Christmas lights up since Christmas because it looks really cool. 30,000 views. 30,000 views. I'm a very small channel. Don't get me wrong, you guys. I love all your support, but like 30,000 to me is insane. Like earthquake tree in that video shaking, and that was a pretty intense earthquake. Obviously, not nearly as intense here as it was up north near like Sendai area, but yeah, 30,000. Mind blown. Just sometimes, you know, videos. Also wearing the Run on the Go shirt today. Check it out, Run on the Go right there. Don't forget to check out runonthego.com for all your cool. The manager is currently working on some other designs, but obviously with me not being home, it's a little complicated for her to get all that done with, you know, the two kids and everything. But I think Peter and Natasha are ready to go, so we should get going. You guys remember Peter?
Is.
Arcade Peter. How many times have you been in the arcade this week?
I actually haven't this week.
Yeah, work has been.
Yeah,
I was telling everybody earlier. I was like, yo, I've been making videos because we've been working so much.
Yeah.
So
working weekends.
Working weekends?
Well, not me.
I do. I work a lot of weekends. So, yeah. Maybe I'll take a break one day.
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it either. Anyway, what have you been doing besides that? You don't do arcade games. What are you doing?
Not much.
You play your PlayStation?
Sure.
He's a huge VR guy.
Gone to Akihabara a few times.
Oh, yeah. Still has not taken me, of course.
You said you had no interest in Akihabara.
I don't have interest. I have interest. I just don't have any interest in it.
Exactly.
Yeah. So Natasha's waiting for us at the train station. We'll see you there. All right, everybody. Natasha made it. She's wearing her dad outfit, as she calls it.
Yes.
She bought it the other day. It's got a cute bear on it, though.
Yeah, it does.
There you go. So, we got to train about a minute. Are you going to buy anything today?
Yeah.
She's been wanting to go to this mall for a while now. You're going to get Kit Kats?
Maybe, I don't know.
There's the chocolatory style Kit Kats there, just not the sit-down cafe style. It has the same one from Ginza.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is the closest place you can go to get those.
Yeah, it's like I actually haven't been there since my first trip. It was like 2015.
Oh, man.
I didn't know about the one that we went through the actual shop.
Oh, the Ginza Cafe shop.
Yeah.
Where you sit down and they have a glass of tea and you would find Kit Kats. All right, well, the train will be here in a minute. And now we're in Kawasaki. Yodobashi camera store. You guys probably remember that from previous videos. This is an outlet store for Yodobashi. We're gonna head inside there and check some things out. Not too many camera items at the Yodobashi outlet there. Peter was just reminiscing about the old arcade here.
Your warehouse?
Your warehouse. Is that what it is? Your warehouse?
Yeah.
Or, yeah. It was, as he says, the arcades of Japan. It was
my favorite.
We would have done 100 videos there easily.
Oh, easy.
Yeah. Peter will drop a life savings there, no problem.
5 months here? Yeah, I would have been there at least a dozen times.
Yeah, so.
It would have been like Disneyland for me.
Ah, yes, Disneyland. I don't have any more Disneyland trips planned this trip.
Really?
You top out at 10?
I mean, as of now, nobody's gave me a ticket or anything. But if somebody was like, hey, and I'll be like, all right, I'll buy it.
You got me.
We have made it to the mall, the Lazona Kawasaki Plaza.
Those cherry blossoms?
I believe so, the cherry blossoms. Also, is Lazona like a pizza?
It sounds Italian.
It sounds very Italian. Yes, it does. She would know. She speaks all kinds of stuff. It's cherry blossom time, everybody. The cherry blossoms have started blooming. Oh, they have a little kid Shinkansen train over there. Check that out.
You're too big for a run.
Peter just said I was too big for it. What he doesn't know. I'm gonna buy it instead. There you go.
Ron, I thought it was on a track. It's not.
It's not on track. It's free roaming. There's adults on it. There are adults on it, Peter. Oh boy.
Well, I can't stop you from trying.
Oh, look at that. They got the camera. All right. Everybody ready to go to Starbucks? No, just joking.
And I got live.
Woo! We're going to the freak store. Just the name alone is enough, but yeah. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we were just looking. That is a long... We're going to show it on Peter. Yeah. That's for your long day.
I guess if you really want to tuck it in.
Can you imagine tucking that shirt in?
Hold on. You've been doing that for 5 minutes. I know, I'm almost
I
done.
know, I'm almost done. Okay, now I gotta shimmy it down. There's not much for a freak in here, though. You know, it's kind of just like regular clothes.
No chains or leather anywhere.
So after leaving the freak store, we went to Hollister. Purchase was made. What a surprise. We were looking for food. Now, what's the X Blue buffet? Like, is like buffet, and then let's see what they got there. It looks like it's gonna be like $2,100 for some food. Does it even look open? It looks like it's open. We're kind of just walking around trying to figure out what we want to eat. Do you guys know what you want to eat? Sushi, steak, or ramen? That's really that's all I know.
Eggs and things.
I just don't like egg. You know that. Like, I don't. So we decided to eat here at the Hawaiian restaurant. And check this out over here. Strawberry pancake. Yeah, we're getting that. But the pineapple burger, 990 yen. I'm doing that. So we're getting food now, and I told you I got the banana, strawberry, delicious looking meal right there. She got the chunky avocado.
Chunky cheddar avocado.
Yeah, we got a little bit of a real estate issue in this.
Oh, we got real estate issue, and then I got Peter over here with some bacon. Look at that bacon.
That's very nice.
You get the bacon burger? Okay, let's do that here. Or small table, 3 people. All right, Peter, how was your burger?
It was pretty good.
It was.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah, the pineapple was a little disappointing me. It was decent. The fries were good. I like the fries, but the strawberry banana pancake. Yeah, they had banana and strawberries in the middle of the pancakes. So good. And I would definitely probably get the dessert again, but probably not the burger. How was yours?
It was good.
Did you enjoy it?
I did enjoy it. I would have really liked it if I had the cheddar on there.
Oh, she thought she ordered the cheddar burger.
Well, I did.
Oh, you did.
I did.
And then the strawberry pancake.
That was really good.
What did you think of the banana, the top one that had that flavor?
It had like the cooked sugar on it.
It was good,
It was
but
good. I liked it.
I don't know. I had a mixed feeling about it.
I don't know. I like sugar.
Oh, I like sugar too. Obviously, I drink all my Monsters, nothing but sugar. So just found out that the Kawasaki Kit Kat Chocolatory is closed here. Just asked some of the people who work here. So yeah, bummer. This is where I got my Kit Kats last year before I came home on the last trip.
I feel like it's.
We still have the Chocolatory in Ginza though. So we're heading back to the train now, but it's on the way. We're gonna stop by Lush. But check out the area in the background, looking super cool tonight. Friday night, we're out here. Are you working tomorrow?
No.
Yeah. We're working tomorrow. So we can buy more stuff.
Going to Akihabara tomorrow.
Oh, are you going to Akihabara? Oh, that's why I can never go, because I'm always at work and you're not.
Yeah. Like last Sunday, where were you? Oh yeah, you were at work.
No, I wasn't at Disney.
Oh, I feel bad now.
Yeah, I was at Disney World.
Wait, you were at Disney. I don't feel bad.
Yeah, so I may have an addiction to Disney. Whatever. I've been like, what, 10
times at
10
least.
times in the last 4 months?
Yes.
Since January to now.
That's what I'm I think I've been to Disney like 7 times in my entire life. 8 times maybe.
Some people like Disney, some people like Akihabara. I get it. Here it is, Lush and Kawasaki. Did you buy some stuff?
I did.
How much was that?
It was 64 bucks.
That's not bad.
6,400 yen?
Yeah.
You only got 5 of them?
I got
Yeah, you got 5.
5, I think.
Yeah, but one of them was like $18. It's
some good stuff.
It's a pretty big one.
Was that the flower one?
No, that was definitely the eggplant.
Oh.
It was a giant eggplant. We were just noticing here, there's a Silk Cat with a Moore City right across from the mall. It's just like back in Yokosuka where there's a Moore City and a Silk Cat right across the street from it. It's kind of funny. We're about to get on the KQ line, head on back into town, and probably call it a night. But Peter, what are you gonna get me in Aki Harbor tomorrow?
Oh, you know, lots of things that you like about anime.
I'm not saying I don't like anime. I just don't watch anime.
Oh, okay.
I like Initial D.
I could try to find some Initial D
Samurai
stuff.
Shampoo.
They do. Well, that's kind of an older show, but maybe.
Okay. And
It was a popular show.
it was very popular. What else?
I know you
watch?
like those Dragon Slayer figures.
Dragon Slayer! Oh my god. Everybody calm down on the channel. We were talking about Demon Slayer. We just had somebody call it Dragon Slayer the other day. Calm down, everybody.
He is not an anime fan, so...
Yeah, he's just trying to get it for some friends and some family members. But, yeah, he was like, can you give me some Dragon Slayer? And we're like, what is the Dragon Slayer? We are...
Pretty sure I knew what he meant.
If David gets some time off, we're going to go down to Universal to go see the Attack on Titan ride.
Nice.
Yes, David's super excited about it. Of course, if time permits.
Yeah, we're running a little short.
Yes,
So
on the
maybe-
on the times
Yeah.
and the monies.
Well, some people.
Yeah, well, some of us are. Okay, you know. So obviously, why I haven't been traveling. I need to make some monies again. That 3-day Hiroshima to Kyoto, that was like $800 and something.
Yeah, Japan's not cheap.
Yeah, Japan is not cheap when you want to
can
travel
take
like
the train
that.
everywhere, but it'll cost you.
$200 one way from here to Hiroshima, just for the train. That's not the room or the food. Yeah. Either way, we'll see you guys back in Yokosuka. Hey, we're back in town now. Peter,
Yes.
no arcade for you.
Oh.
Okay, just a little bit.
It's closed anyway.
Is it closed?
8 o'clock?
No. All the state of emergencies are gone.
Oh.
No.
I don't
Capcom's open till like 11 now.
I probably should.
Yeah, you probably should. But you know.
I could though.
Yeah. Oh. You know what? I just really need to move here. Oh. That would be really cool.
Get your lodging for free.
Something like that. Either way, we're back in town now and we're going to call it a night. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Like I said, there'll be more stuff coming up soon. Just got a lot of work going on. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we'll be doing some more stuff very soon. And of course, thanks for Ash. Wow, I called you Ashley. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Ashley was always with us, and now she's not. Thanks, Natasha and Peter, for coming out today. I hope you guys had fun. We'll see you next time.